Wrinkles Reducing Instrument ES-1081 Review. Real results or hype? Wrinkles fading at home was just a handheld gadget. The ES-1081 promises to reduce fine lines, tighten skin, and give you that fresh, youthful glow without ever stepping into a clinic. But does it work? Or is it just an expensive hype? Let's find out. The ES-1081 combines a few technologies into one handheld tool. First would be IPL, or intense pulsed light. It is claimed to be stimulate collagen and reduce wrinkles. Multicolor LED therapy, red for collagen boost, green for balancing skin tone, and blue for calming and tightening pores. Vibration massage and gentle heat to improve blood flow and help skincare absorb better. It's rechargeable, portable, and marketed as a professional grade device you can use at home. I've been testing the ES-1081 for a few weeks, and here's what I noticed. It feels warm and soothing, like a mini facial massage. And after each session, my skin looked a bit plumper and more hydrated, probably from the increased circulation. Over time, there was a slight improvement in skin texture. Fine lines seemed a little softer, and but nothing dramatic. So, important note, results take consistency. So you're not going to see overnight wrinkle removal. This is more about subtle support for your skincare routine. Now, among the pros and cons of this device would be it is easy and pleasant to use. It combines multiple skincare techs in one device, and it's safe for a at-home use. It may enhance other skincare products, but among its cons would be it has no clinical proof it rivals professional treatments, and mixed reviews about missing accessories and unreliable sellers. Results are modest and not miraculous, and it works only if you use it consistently. So, is the Wrinkles Reducing Instrument ES-1081 the anti-aging breakthrough it claims to be? Honestly, it's not hype-free, but it's also not a scam. It can be a nice tool to complement your routine, give you a spa feel, and support gradual skin improvement. But if you're looking for major wrinkle reduction, in-office treatments will deliver far stronger results. If you've tried the ES-1081 or similar device, share your experience in the comments below, and I'd love to hear your results.